welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to transfer photos, videos, files, or any kind of document from your phone into your PC without any stress using this USB cable right here. So let's get started. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember, click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you bring out your cable wire right here. So make sure you insert this particular USB port mount right here into your PC. So I will go ahead now and insert it here, just like so. Once you insert it, next thing you need to do is to bring out the charging point mount of your USB, just like what you see right here. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure you insert it at the bottom of the charging point on your phone. Just insert it this way. You are done. Once you insert it, you will receive a signal on your PC. Then before that, you need to transfer and convert this into a file transfer, because most time when you connect USB cable, it gives you charging format. And as a result of that, when the file is pop up on your PC, just like what you just see right here, it's going to give you folder is empty, of which there are files on your phone. So what you need to do right here is to come to your phone and then make sure you swipe this way. And then what you want to do here is to make sure you tap on charging this device via USB. So right here. So charging this device from via USB. Click on charging this device via USB. Click on that. And it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to switch to file transfer. Click on that. Once you choose file transfer, you see the folder disappear on the screen of PC right here. Now, what you want to do here now is to make sure you go ahead and locate the phone file folder on your PC. So it has back again. Now it's going to show you that there is a devices in this particular PC, and at the same time there are internal storage and ADV right here. Now, what we want to do here now is to click any of these two particular drive right here. Now, let's say you want to get files, video, photos from your internal share storage. What you want to do is to click on internal share storage, press enter key on your PC. Then it's going to load up and show you all the file folders that you have on your internal storage. Now you have all the file folder in your internal file storage. So here you can decide to move whatever you have in your download folder, or better still, you can decide to move whatever you have in your camera roll, or whatever you have in your recording, your pictures, your documents right here. So if you want to get on any information from your camera roll, simply click on DCIM, press enter key, and it will take you to file folder of your camera. Select on the camera, press enter key on your keyboard. Then it's going to show you everything you have been doing with your phone camera, whether picture or videos. So here, if you want to move any of the information right here, let's say we want to move this particular video right here, click on the video, and let's say we want to move, let's say we want to transfer one of the picture right here. Press Ctrl key down on your PC and select the picture. Then the two items has been selected. You can use this method to select as many as possible files. So once you select all the files, the next thing you want to do is to simply drag the file into a new folder on your PC. How do we do that? What I'm going to do is to maximize this folder. Then I have another folder on my PC right here. So this folder here, I'm going to move them into this particular folder. So I will double click on the folder. So once the folder is open, I'm going to maximize the folder. Now you see the folder here is empty. Then I'll bring out my phone folder, my phone camera folder right here. And I have selected about two items already. I will simply drag and drop it right here. Now allow everything to fully transfer. Once everything is fully transferred, you are going to see all the information in this particular file folder on your PC. You can use this method to transfer documents, PDF, video, photo, music, what have you, from your phone into your PC without any stress. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.